Welcome Jethro's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about these Milwaukee battery holders I picked up from Temu. We're going to do a quick review on them and see how I like them. Okay, here's your good look at them. There's not much to them. I'm not sure if these are printed or pressed, or molded. I imagine they're molded. It kind of looks like they are. I haven't seen the where it gets injected yet, but it may be right there, somewhere else. There's a few telltale signs. Pretty sure these ain't printed. Maybe that shows me that they're injected molded. Anyway, not a bad little deal. It's just a simple piece of plastic. They interlock together. I really would like to mount them like this, but it seems that they want to be mounted up like that. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to find me a place to mount them and get back with y'all. So I got to looking at these, and that's just how the battery goes in. So I am going to install them like this. Start out one. So part of this is I'm going to try to keep from cracking these by torquing them down too bad. I'm lucky I didn't crack it just then. But so far so good. And they seem okay. Oh, and these come with their own, oh, I've messed up. Should have started up. So let's loosen this. Wasn't going to install them all, but let me go ahead and attach all these. Because I started wrong. Not bad though. I'm kind of liking it. Understand the same thing can be bought on Amazon for less if you're paying full price. So if you can get, you get one of those so many items for $1 or whatever, then get them. Other than that, these cost more on Temu. I don't mind them. And even the screws aren't bad. Have you ever bought a product that the screws stripped out real quick? Yeah, that sucks. Now let's put a battery in it. Or 2 or 3. Let's see. Not bad. So, what about this new Forge battery? And I've got some M8 and M9 batteries. Whoa! I guess you need to get them all nice and screwed in then. That was me. That was my fault. Guess you could call me smart for that, or the opposite of. Let's finish screwing these down. Uh-oh. There's one. There you go. Popped out on me. Well, I got that one all twisted. Remove the battery, James. Okay, woo! Now let's throw some batteries in here. A Forge battery, 9 amp-hour battery that's supposed to be no good, but so far it works for me. My M8 or my 8 amp-hour battery and 2 regular 6 amp batteries. See this 6 amp? see this 6 amp? Let's look at the, it's a little bit smaller. There we go. Not bad. I guess I need 5 more. Would I buy it again? Only if I can get it cheaper than Amazon. I'll prefer to buy it from Amazon than Temu. But that's it. So that's my order from Temu. That's the second item that I got that was a tool-like object. I'm pretty happy with it. I paid a little more for it. When you average out everything, maybe 50 cents to $1 more. I'm not sure. If I can get them cheaper, I will. Decent product. They do what I needed to do. Wasn't hard to install. Come with the hardware I needed. Pretty easy, right? So, y'all take care. See y'all in the next one.